everybody, Brandy from Pafford Homestead here.
It's cold. It's cold out here.
We are out here gonna do a little project in the chicken pen for right now. The babies want out. They say, let me out, let me out.
Whoa.
Watch.
Whoa.
Go on, Mary. Marvin, whatever your name is.
Nest high or down?
Down. Let's let them nest down. We went to Tractor to Supply today and we bought some nesting boxes. And we're going to put them up in the chicken coop. Don't, Autumn. So Marvin's in here. He won't leave the coop right now. He's checking out what's going on. Marvin, no. You leave that baby alone. Get back, Autumn. So Charlie's in there. Like I said, he's doing the nesting boxes. Autumn, get back, baby. Marvin is acting funny. Autumn, come here.
He's so cute.
No, he's fixing to be in a pot. Okay, go in the chicken coop.
Where's the baby chick?
Okay, we're gonna lock ourselves in the coop.
Where's the baby chick?
There. So, yep, they spilled their food.
Here's the baby chick. You see that baby chick?
Yep. So we had these flimsy little bins down here for them, but now we're gonna put those wooden ones up. And Marvin's over there going nuts because he can't get in.
What's in here to mess with me? Huh?
Yep.
Charlie.
What was that?
Marvin got Penny. Marvin, leave Penny alone.
Penny probably bothered him. Okay. That's them bucks.
Okay, let me get you a box.
You see the baby chick?
That's too high and they come down.
Come down just a little. There you go. Well, she just got fertilized. Winnie? Stay right here, Autumn. We don't have no baby chicks yet.
I gotta find some more screws.
How many you gotta have for each nesting box?
I need at least 4.
4.
And so, well, guys, that's what we're putting up. I'm gonna put 3 of them here. And that'll be it. I'm out of breath.
So right now we gotta go get some more screws and finish up. And I'm going to let them back out for a little while. Let Marvin out. Yeah, Marvin's out. Get out, Marvin. Get out, Marvin. Come on, Winnie. Go out.
I need to get out too.
Well, hang on. You can get out in just a minute. So, we're going to get these nesting boxes finished. Nesting boxes finished. There you go. And we'll show you the finished product. Be back in a minute.
Yes.
He will not leave the door. Ah, no, get back.
What?
Get back, Marvin. So, we got the nesting boxes all finished, but that we're going to show you on the next video of the chickens update. But I wanted to show y'all what Charlie got me. I'm very excited, y'all. Very, very excited. Look, he got me an incubator. And so I've already got eggs incubating. They will be starting to hatch in 21 days, which is February 14th is when they'll start hatching. So we'll keep updating on them. So I hope you enjoyed the video on the nesting boxes, and make sure you keep your eye out on more videos coming of the chicken coop on what is going on with it. We're very, very excited. So until next time, stay safe, be blessed. Thanks for supporting Pafford Homestead. Bye, y'all.